everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Hobby Lobby clearance haul. So I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday to pick up one item. I needed something for a card I have to make, and I didn't find it, so I kind of was heading for the door, and I thought, well, let me check out the little Valentines stuff, and I got a few things there. And then I said, well, there's hardly anyone here, it's so early in the morning. Let me go back and check out the clearance corner, because they have like a little corner where they put all their clearance item here at my local Hobby Lobby. And I went back there and, yeah, found a whole bunch of stuff. So let me share with you first the Valentine's items that I picked up. I picked up these really cute puppy Valentine tags. I don't know what I'm going to do with these for sure. I wish the hole wasn't right there in front of his head. Maybe I can put a bow there and make him a little girl, but I thought he was adorable with these glasses. And then I picked up these red heart gemstone 22 piece. These are really pretty and will look really luscious on Valentine cards. And then I picked up these cute little puffy stickers. They have little beads and seed beads in them, and I thought these are adorable. And these are 12 piece. And then I picked up these multicolored glittered heart stickers, 24. These are really pretty, so I was very excited to see these. And one of them, it looks like it's kind of doesn't have as much glitter on it as the others. And then these silver chipboard heart stickers, 24. I think I've picked these up before, so really nice for, I think they were 70% off, so good value. And now the clearance items. So first off, I picked up these little cute bags. I think it's 12 in here maybe. I hate that they put their stickers right over everything. Looks like it's 8. So these are adorable and really cute on cards. And then I picked up these alphabet stickers by Paper Studio. And these are gold. And it's 60 pieces, so I like how you get additional alphas for some of the more popular letters. Picked up these really cute stickability stickers. And they're kind of puffy. I think these will look cute in my planner. Let me just bring a chunk of them over here. And then I got these little girls. Thought these are cute. And then this one. And this is really cute toucan. Very shiny. And these little donut and popsicle and cupcake. This flamingo with watermelon slice and the pineapple and then the palm leaf. And these cute little adorable stickers, I got them for my planner. I just thought that avocado was adorable. And so you got some dimensionals stickers here, and then these circle puffies, and then you have some just regular flat stickers. Really cute. And then this is probably about I'm not sure what that is. Is that a bear or a sloth? If it's a sloth, it's probably the cutest sloth I ever seen. I usually don't like sloths, but that's cute. And then I got these stickers, puffy stickers with the kind of a fiesta theme. The donkey and the elephant. I don't know how that fit into it. And the llama. It's kind of weird, but I'm going for it. And then I purchased these 2 sticker books. This one's called Pastel Dreams. I should have undid it so you can see. Oh well, here they are on the back. Some rainbows. And this one says Boss Babe, and this one is opened. So I'll show you that one. Or maybe it's not open. Almost open. There we go. It's called Boss Babe. Love the sunglasses. And the coffee and the paper clips. The stapler. The note. It says noted. Seize the day, Boss Babe. Goal. I like that. Don't stress. Whew, I need a whole page of that. Meeting, to do. I like this a lot. This will work well for my planner for work stuff. And clocks and the iPhone. And money. Yeah, like the money. And I think that's a computer screen monitor. To do, more iPhones. Just super cute planner stuff. Sometimes I'm into my planner and some days I'm not, so got that. And then I picked up these really cute bags. It's 10-piece, super gold. Okay. And these bags, I've never seen these. These are, they call them gable boxes, but they're like acetate, clear. And this is what they look like. Got those. Got 2 packs of those, because it's only 6 in each pack. And then I got some stickers. Got these stickers. These are the Woodland. I think I've hauled these before, but $4.99 down to $1.29, $1.24. These are really cute. They only have 1 pack of these. I would have gotten 2 of these for sure. And then these are really nice. Those are these are called Letterman. Really cute. And then these are called, I don't know if you really care what they call. Oh, this one is okay. And this one is called Follow. Excuse me. There's gold trim. These are really classy looking. I like these. And then the last thing I purchased there was this really pretty calendar. And I want to put it on the back of my door in my craft room because that's my office also. And the way I sit, I can see the back of my door. And I've been kind of decorating it for the holiday, but I'm kind of tired of doing that. So I thought I'd put this really neat calendar up because it has some really awesome sayings on it. Do a little good every day. I like that. Stay fabulous. Really cute. Life is an adventure. Isn't that the truth? So that's my Hobby Lobby haul. Let me know what you think. Did you guys go to the Hobby Lobby? I know some of the subscribers did, and it wasn't my intention, but yeah, I did it anyway. So let me know what you think below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.